Guys, Brian back here with a look at Bitcoin. All right, we've been expecting a bounce out of this thing. We called this bottom down here, this green 702. We called that bottom when it came in here. All right here. Boom, right there. That was a 702 retracement. If we go out in a weekly, look how much of a bounce that was once we got that. Nice. You know, that thing is, look at that weekly candle. That's crazy. That's a nice bullish candle right there. So that's great to see. That's a lot of buying right there. 14.8 thousand Bitcoin in this green candle right here. That's a lot of guys seen a bottom coming in there. And that's where a lot of people end up getting entries from. All right. So you can see that perfect pullback there to 38.4. And the bounce from there, we called that when that came in. All right, if you watch the channel, you know that's where we were had that target for here. Now on a daily, you can see we came up to this right up here to this 42.2, and we hit some resistance right there. Now you can see this blue support line right here. The support right through there. Then it became resistance. All right, we ended up falling down through that, coming up, back testing, breaking down, and now we've come up and hit that area right now, which has become a major resistance area. Let me get my alarm off here. I apologize. I had an alert set on there, so if that 42.2 broke, I knew it. Now let's zoom in on this thing. All right, and please hit the like and subscribe, guys. And consider, I have a Mexi link in the description of the video. All right, I buy tons of new stuff with that over on Mexi. I love Mexi. They launch new tokens all the time. You know, that's where you get your next 1000x or whatever you're looking for. But and I also do a lot of leverage trading. Okay, I love it, and I'm kind of, I guess I got that gambler instinct in me. You know, I enjoy leverage trading. So if you're interested, please learn what you're doing now before you mess with that stuff. You can get crushed real quick. But Shido, please go check that video out if you haven't yet, guys. You're gonna miss a perfect entry coming up on that thing. All right, there's an ABC coming in on it. If you're interested, go check it out. It's easy money. All right, now here we go. Let's take a look at the daily RSI. Daily RSI still heading up. Look at this one here, the 3-day at a 9 and a 4, just turning up. Okay, you got your weekly coming down, still bearish on the weekly, and we got the monthly 99 and a 96, still bullish. All right, now we're looking for a run up here on Bitcoin, probably to the 618 702 area possibly. All right, if we want a daily here and we take a look for a target. And I'm sorry, I don't mean to show anything, guys, but please check out my trading videos. Level 3 membership for $14.99. 9 hours worth of videos. All right, 20 videos over there to give you a jump start in the market, to learn how to do this stuff. We have a bull run coming up. All right, you can make $15 back in 5 minutes in trading. All right, that's not, the 15 bucks isn't a big deal, but it's worth your time to learn this stuff. You're gonna want to know. I wish I knew the last bull run, all this to how to do all this stuff. I paid $400 for my course, so everything I've learned is over there. Please, it's worth checking out. We have 70 members now, and it gets you access to our Discord. You know, a lot of great people, guys over there. So 618 would be a $45,000 retracement. The 702 comes in at 45.8. All right, we will be looking, you know, 45,000, maybe 45.8. And then what's probably going to happen? Well, Bitcoin, I expect, is going to have a pullback. Okay, now the reason I say that, obviously you got the weekly pulling down. All right, but the monthly is up here at the top. And we're going to expect a pullback. All right, back in 2019, right over here, we ended up having a pullback after. Let me get this off here real quick. You initially had your bull run right here, 2017. We fell down, then we had a retracement, okay, just like we had right now. Where'd that retracement come to? Well, that retracement came right up to the 618 right there, and then it got rejected right there, 618, just like we hit right now. All right, then Bitcoin had a pullback. All right, doesn't look like a whole lot there, does it? Well, look at this, right from the top right to there, 53%. You know, with COVID, it ended up being 71%, but we're not counting COVID, okay? That's a black swan event. But where did Bitcoin pull back to? Well, if we go from the bottom, there you go. Came down to the 702 Fibonacci, right down here, and then it bounced. Then we got our bull run started, okay? And then after that, it took off. You can see right here, down to the 702, and then it went, okay? Now, this was the black swan. That was COVID, where it pulled way down. But this would have been the start of the bull run. You know, over here, this thing would have took off. April, right there, we had our Bitcoin halving right there. You know, this thing would have been going by then without COVID there. But the COVID, I'll be honest with you, I got a lot of great entries off COVID. Now, if we end up having that same type of 702 pullback, all right, and I've been talking about this, just like I talked about the 618 for months. And I said, watch that level, months and months. I talked about that. 32,100, 32,200. That's the 702 down here. Okay, that's going to be a big level to keep an eye on. You know, I'm just seeing here. We put a line at that 702. Does that come in any areas? Oh yeah, look at that. How about that? Major resistance area and a major support area right there. That's on a monthly. You know, right up the top up here, monthly. Okay, you know, major area. You got to watch, and then right here, support. You know. So you got, that's how you tie all this stuff together, guys. It's almost like putting a puzzle together when you're doing this stuff. You know, you're going to want to learn. So please check out the Level 3 trading membership. It's worth it. All right, there's your 702 at 32,000. Comes in at a major support and resistance area right here. Is that, you know, they would put everything together, and then you get your answer. All right, guys, have a great day. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll be back to you very soon.